The cool thing with having a backpack wall is that if you're ready to go on a trip, you can go to your wall of backpacks and decide which bag to bring. I mean, you can go with the roamer, the roll top. Here I have my think tank backpack. I even got a shoulder bag that I have here behind my closet door. I got a big old, it's not on the wall, but I got a big old rolling case. I got a small rolling case. Here I got this monstrous backpack, but we're not here to talk about backpacks. We're here to talk about the Sony a6400. Hey guys, so obviously the big news right now in the camera world is the release of the new Sony a6400. And in fact, with me in my hands is the Sony a6500. Gotcha. No, but the new a6400 looks like a pretty darn good camera. I don't really think it's game-changing per se, just because it has a flip-out screen. Oh, sorry, hold on. A flip-up screen. A flippity-uppity screen. Flippity-uppy. We'll go with that. Although, why wouldn't they want to just do a normal flip-out? I mean, that just makes sense. Anyway, the flippity-uppity screen is a great feature, but I'm actually more intrigued by the internal features of the a6400. I'm not going to be going through all the specs because otherwise I'd be reading a spec sheet, but I think a question that a lot of you guys are asking is, which camera should I get? The Sony a6500 or the Sony a6400? This is a broken a6500. Now, I don't think the Sony a6500 is gonna go away anytime soon, nor do I think the a6400 is going to replace, what am I doing? This is not the right camera. From what I've seen so far, the Sony a6400 seems like an upgrade to the Sony a5100, but I don't think the a6400 will replace the a6500. It might replace the a6300 and definitely the a5100. In fact, I feel like this a6400 is an upgraded version of the a5100, almost like a marriage between the 5100 and the RX100 all put together. Just so many numbers and letters just kind of mashing about. Other than the flippity-uppity screen, other than the flip-up screen, there are three features that the a6400 has that might want to lean you towards getting the a6400 over the a6500. 1, real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking. 2, you can shoot in high log gamma. And 3, the 29-minute record time limit is gone. Now, I don't know how long you can record past 29 minutes, but the fact that you can record past 30 minutes is a pretty incredible thing. Having all that said, if you're looking for your very first camera, specifically in the Sony line, then definitely look into getting the Sony a6400. This is not the 6400. I don't know why I keep grabbing this. Now, if you have the Sony a6500, I wouldn't stress too much on getting the a6400 unless you're looking for a secondary camera or a backup camera. The a6500 is still a mini 4K beast. I mean, some of the best shots that I took on my recent Arctic trip was shot with the Sony a6500. Sure, the battery life sucks on this. It overheats and it doesn't shoot in high log gamma, but it has incredible autofocus, extremely reliable, and definitely something worth keeping in 2019. I will be going on a trip with Sony next week, and chances are I will be playing with the a6400 in my hands, so let me know what kind of features you'd like me to test out. But let me pass a question off to you. What do you guys think of the new a6400? Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna pass? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to find out. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. APS-C is not dead, Jason Vong. Except for this camera.